I'm Jim.
And I'm Pearl.
And this is The Great Life. And The Great Life has hit our 30th anniversary. So we're spending some time here at the Carlisle Inn in Walnut Creek, Ohio. And then later we're heading for Cedar Point. So this is our 30th anniversary trip.
Celebration.
Yeah, celebration. So we'll be nice and bring you guys along a little bit. Maybe some. Maybe. If you behave, okay? And you guys send us fry pies. And if you know what fry pie is, we'll show you some point in time. Well, it's the start of a new adventure and cruising down the highway, but I think we're going to stop off and feed our tummies first. So I think there's a Cracker Barrel in our future real soon. My bride. There she is, my beautiful bride. Oh, we didn't get very far, did we?
Nope, the tummy's
the tummy's ruled out.
Yeah.
And I think most everybody knows what this is. At least in the States. Yeah, Cracker Barrel. We love Cracker Barrel. Look at all the shopping in here.
Winter's coming.
Winter's coming. Ooh, that means then it's 5 more winters once winter comes. Ooh, I see moon pies.
And goo-goo clusters.
Yeah. I'm torn between moon pies and goo-goo clusters.
Yeah. One of each?
Yeah, I'm thinking so. Yeah. It's like they're only selling them by the box.
Yeah.
Maybe they got them loose somewhere. Yeah, a bit warm for fire today. Oh, you got to view the fireplace with no fire. Yeah, we're definitely not a food review channel because we already started and half chewed through. Look at that. Pearl's already gnawing on her biscuits and gravy over there. Yeah, me too. Yep, I'm already loading it up, getting ready to move all the gravy onto everything. Everything goes good with gravy. Mm-hmm. Warm is right. All right. Where's that car? There's that car. Yummy.
Very good.
Yep, good as always.
Good as always.
Can't go wrong at Cracker Barrel.
No.
Okay, everybody's tummy's full. We're all happy. So back on the road we go. 30 years ago today, we got married. So we're on this exact day. So we're heading out on a little trip, and I'll cut in some footage from our wedding that I've never shared out before. So here's a little glimpse of our wedding.
Now the time I like to present Mr. and Mrs.
That was so cute to see. We're going to head on up now, and our next stop, we're heading up to the Amish country to spend some time. So the next stop, we would never have gone to the Amish country when we were young. But as you get older, you seem to like different things. So next stop, we're going to pick up some wine. So we're off to our favorite winery, Breitenbach. And we'll maybe bring you inside for a little bit. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time there. This is our happy place. We're going to get ourselves some lunch and a few bottles of wine to stock up on.
Here.
Like the label?
The label, yeah.
Old Dusty Miller. Ohio table wine.
What is it?
It's an Ohio table wine. Yeah, we struck again. We got some flatbread. What's it?
Chicken bacon ranch.
Chicken bacon ranch. And it's mostly gone now. So I guess it is good. And yep. So we're cruising right along with this. Yep. And that's happy. They got happy eyes over there, so we're good. Pretzels. All right.
two of these, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere down here if we can find it.
Don't squish your pretzels.
No.
Yeah. Let me grab your cheese tray.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Yep. Down there on the bottom.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah. Oh, there's the world's largest cuckoo clock.
Oh.
Sugarcreek.
Oh, that's where it's at. Oh. Huh. Have we been down there?
I don't know. You want to go see it?
I guess we could.
Turn around.
Yeah, we got a little bit of time. It's gonna be fun getting out, unless you can get over there to that light.
Yeah, I can do that.
Just so right.
Turn right onto Factory Street North.
Okay, there it is.
Oh, neat.
Okay, cute. Okay. Oh, that's a parking spot. There's some over there, it looks
Oh, you
like.
got a green light. Oh, yeah. Nothing else. You could turn around and park. Butch right there.
Okay, looks like
Take the next
parking.
left
Yeah,
onto
that's
Factory
parking
Street
spots.
Northeast.
In they go. Look at that car. No, it's Swiss.
Oh, Swiss. Oh, so is that not the Swiss? Oh.
I
That's
like
pretty
that.
good.
Okay, it's a Bernie mobile. Over here, you want to look around?
Yeah, let's look around a little bit.
Did I lock the
Never been
car?
in here before, have we?
I've never locked the car. As you can see, Sugarcreek is a neat little town, and also as you can see, I screwed up the camera again, and kind of running a little bit on the time-lapse thingy. So I'm not going to hang out here too much, but definitely a neat little town to explore. Pearl and I do want to come back and check out Sugarcreek sometime. It's got this Swiss feel to it from the area, so definitely a neat town to explore. So you can put it on your list to stop by, because we're going to be back there again someday. All right, our running's all done. We're going to do a quick drive over here. No stops this time. We're heading over to Walnut Creek, and we're staying at the Carlisle Inn there. So we'll get over to our hotel and get all checked in. I was hoping on the drive we get to see some Amish driving their buggies, but there was no luck. So if there was, I'll catch it. If in the future drives, if we see any of the Amish out, we'll toss in some of that footage, but no luck this time. Here we are, 30 years later to the day, at another hotel, kind of like our first night when we got married. It's a lot nicer hotel, but the kind of difference between then and now is we didn't take as much photos and videos of us going into our room. And Pearl wouldn't let me carry her into the hotel room, would you, Pearl?
No.
No. What were you afraid of?
Hurting your back.
Hurting your back or dropping you?
Hurting your back.
Hurting my back. Okay. So, yeah, Pearl just walked in while I'm doing this voiceover, and she's now peering at the computer trying to figure out what I'm up to. So I'm going to cut in some footage of that night, though, because back then when I was young and frisky, we did it right on our first night together. So here's a little footage of that. All right. We're having a simple dinner tonight. Cheese and crackers and this is some plum wine. Compliments of Kenji. Kenji-san brought us some wine when he came over, and that's what we're having tonight. Plum wine from Japan. And cheesecake later. Yeah, we got some cheesecake. So we're going to just hang out in our room here and
Enjoy the view.
enjoy our view. That's the view we got. I'm thinking it screams.
Peaceful.
Yep. I think it's screaming time-lapse. We'll have to get one set up. So thank you for coming along and enjoy this lovely view.
imagine.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.